If we want to measure the actual direct distance between two places on a map, what should we do? Let's try to measure the actual direct distance between X and Y on this map. First, we use a ruler to draw a line between X and Y. Place a piece of paper along the line. Mark the positions of X and Y on the paper. Measure the distance between X and Y according to the linear scale of the map. The scale of the map is 1 to 200 meters. The distance between X and Y is 6 centimeters. Therefore, the actual direct distance between X and Y is 1,200 meters.